Michael Glennon, farming here in Ballydangan, Co.Roscommon, with my father Peter and two sons Martin and Shane. We're running Suckler enterprise to beef, also bucket rare calves as well. We're holding a farm walk here on the 1st of September at 6:30 and everybody is welcome.
Donald Fahy, Dry Stock Advisor, Teagasc Roscommon, based in Ballydangan. On the evening we will be discussing weaning of the Suckler bred calf, and I suppose also Mike will be explaining management of that calf after weaning. Mike's vet will also attend on the evening to discuss the importance of vaccination pre-weaning, and also the importance of fecal sampling and using the correct dose based on the fecal sample results. On the evening we will also be discussing current beef market outlooks and the preparation of the weaning for sale in the mart. We will also give an update on the various schemes: the SCEP scheme, the dairy beef weighing scheme, the beef welfare scheme, and what must be achieved to meet scheme requirements.